Take 3, Hendrix AA. Hi there guys and gals, good evening to each every one of you. How are you all doing? Sorry guys. You know what? I just met a while ago in Gateway Mall two famous celebrities. But I'm not gonna divulge guys and gals who are they. Just wait for it on my upcoming uploads for these coming days, okay? Okay, before we start our reviews for this movie, I just want to thank the Lord for all the blessings that He gave, for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. Shout out to my mother in Bicol, Fe Abordo, and to all my silent subscribers out there. Hi, and to all my first viewers who never get tired of my masterpieces. Thank you so much each every one of you, and to all my Facebook viewers also. And of course, before I forgot, and I shouldn't be forgot, my 13 lovely countries. Number 1, still on the number 1, Philippines. Followed by on the number 2, as usual, never been defeated, United States, South Korea, Mexico, India, Uzbekistan, Italy, United Kingdom, Indonesia, Japan, Brazil, Canada, and Germany. Lights please, lights. Okay, you know what guys and gals, I thought this movie is really fantastic, is really kind of a splendid one, but it's not. Oh, here I am again. Sorry. Oh, guys, please bear with me. I can't concentrate that much because let's make some stretching. Okay guys, here we are, where I am. Okay, one last direct. Sorry.